Hallie's report on that gathering of white nationalists in Washington over the weekend. We saw that Heil Trump salute that looks so much like a Heil Hitler salute. What does President-elect Trump need to say about that right now to stop that in its tracks?
So we can call it the alt-right and white nationalism, and I understand that those terms are being thrown around interchangeably. It is white supremacy, and there is one answer. It is not only to say they're not with me, it is to denounce it. And in the same way that pressure built on candidate Obama to give a speech about race, when the conversation in this country about race